Hi all, welcome to my channel java8. Today we will see how to rotate an array by kth positions using Stream API. Before we start this video, if you are new on my channels, please subscribe my channel. I have already created multiple programming interview questions video. Will provide the link in the description. You can get from there and watch. So let's start this video. I'm taking array of type integer. 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is our array. Taking one more variable, it will tells like from which positions we want to rotate an array. So as I mentioned here, third, so we have to reverse this array from the third position. So third position means 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have to reverse it like this. Output should be like this. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and then first set. Okay, this will be the second set and this will be a first set. Okay, I'm creating one private function. It will return an integer. Private static function, because we have to call in from a main method, which is an static get rotate array. This function will accept an integer type of array. First we will get the length of this array. Now we will check if n equals to 0, we'll return the array. We'll return array from here only, means there's no elements. Now we will just normalize this. Okay, we need to take one more variable here also to pass the position. Okay, we will normalize this k mod n just to reduce number of iterations. Int stream dot concat function we will call, will pass the stream. Arrays dot stream. Array first parameter, the next parameter, from which positions we want to take the elements. So it will be n minus k till the length here. Okay, and the second set will take from the 0th till n minus k. N minus k. Okay, if you will see here, n minus k means n will be a 7. Okay, because there are 7 elements. Okay, and k is 3, so the position will be a 4. Okay, 4 till the length. So 4 means will start array starts from the 0th. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It will take from here, from it will take 5, 6, 7. Okay, and the second set will be from 0 till 4, means 0 zeroth index will be value will be 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's it. Now we will return this. Okay, we need to call toArray function also. That's it. Let's print this. We'll pass array. Oh, sorry. And k. Oh, we need to use arrays dot toString because it's returning an integer type of array. Now you can see here we are getting output like 5, 6, 7 as expected, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.